Have you ever dropped your phone, felt sick, or had a bad day, and someone said you got the evil eye? In India, people take the evil eye or buri nazar very seriously. It's the idea that too much of attention, admiration, and even jealousy can bring bad luck. If you are planning a trip to India, you will probably notice some unusual sights like chili hanging from the cars and scary faces on the rooftop. Let's take you through some ways Indian protects themselves from evil eye or buri nazar. Some are common across India, but some are unique to the specific regions. Or nimbu mirchi, you will often see this tied up with a string and hanging from cars, shop entrances, or even construction sites. People believe the lemon and chilies soak up the negative energy around. Once it is used up, they throw it away, or sometimes it is crushed under a vehicle to destroy the bad vibes. Kala tika, the black dot. If you spot a baby with a black dot on their cheek or forehead, it's not a mistake. It is drawn on purpose using black kajal. The idea is to make the child look a little less perfect so that too much praise does not attract bad energy. Salt circling or nazar utarna. Salt is believed to not just clean food but also the energy around us. So, if someone is feeling low or has had too much attention, a handful of salt is circled around their head and thrown out to remove any bad luck. Another way is pretend spitting. After praising a baby, a bride, or even someone's success, you might hear people make a soft thu-thu sound. It's a pretend spit done to cancel the effect of compliments that could attract envy. It's weird, maybe. Common, very. Now let's look at some special ways different parts of India deal with nazar. Drishti Bomai from Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, large painted dolls with wide eyes and fierce faces are placed on rooftop or building entrance. They are meant to scare away bad spirits and nazar before it can enter the home. It's like saying, look somewhere else. Second, Bengal, designed with a white chalk powder. In West Bengal, people decorate the floor at their doorway with white patterns called alpana. To protect the home from nazar, they sometimes add a small black dot or charcoal smudge, just enough to keep things imperfect. Third, Rajasthan, mirrors in clothing and camel decor. In Rajasthan, traditional clothes often have small mirrors stitched into them, and even camels wear mirror decorations during festivals. These mirrors are believed to reflect the evil eye back to where it came from, like a shiny little shield. So if you are traveling in India and you see a black doll on a truck or someone burning chilies outside their house, don't worry. These are just local ways to stay safe from nazar, a mix of belief, culture and tradition. We hope this gave you a little peek into the quirky, fascinating world of nazar rituals in India. Have you come across any of these during your travels? Let us know in the comments or tell us if there is something similar in your own culture. We would love to hear how the world protects itself from the evil eye.